Glowing skin is not only about the products you use. The real secret lies in how you treat your skin when no one's watching. It's the little, almost invisible habits between your skincare steps that create a natural, lasting glow. Instead of repeating the same advice you've heard 100 times, this guide will reveal 10 quiet habits that are rarely mentioned, but can completely transform your skin. These tips are rooted in micro habits, sensory techniques, timing tricks, and behavioral skincare practices that actually work. 1. The two-finger rule. When applying skincare or touching your face, use only your ring and middle fingers. These fingers naturally apply the least pressure, reducing the risk of causing inflammation or microscopic tears in the skin. This small habit keeps your skin barrier intact and ensures a softer, more delicate touch, which is especially important for sensitive skin. 2. Keep your final rinse cold. After cleansing your face or finishing your shower, end with a splash of cold water. This quick temperature change tightens the pores, seals in hydration, and soothes redness. The cooling sensation also refreshes your skin instantly, making it feel firmer and more energized. 3. Slow down your application. Instead of quickly slapping on products, slow down and massage each product into your skin for at least 6 seconds. This encourages better blood circulation and ensures that the product is fully absorbed. The gentle pressure also relaxes facial muscles, helping your skin look healthier over time. Apply skincare in the dark. Try applying your nighttime skincare routine with minimal light, perhaps just a candle or no bright bathroom lighting. This calming atmosphere reduces stress and lowers cortisol levels, which can help your skin repair itself more effectively overnight. It turns your routine into a mindful, relaxing ritual. 5. Moisturize before skin feels dry. Cleansing, don't wait until your skin feels tight to apply moisturizer. Instead, lock in the water content by moisturizing within 30 seconds. Applying lotion or cream while your skin is still slightly damp helps trap hydration and prevents dryness from setting in. 6. Hold your breath. While using face mist, when you spray a facial mist, pause and hold your breath until the mist settles. This prevents you from inhaling the mist particles, which can interfere with oxygen exchange in your skin's pores. Once the mist lands, take a deep, refreshing breath to complete the experience. 7. Start with a jaw massage. Before applying products, gently massage your jawline for about 30 seconds. This simple act helps release stored tension and promotes better lymphatic drainage. Improved circulation in this area can reduce puffiness and create a more defined facial contour, giving your face a refreshed look. 8. Adjust your tongue position. During your skincare routine, rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This small posture change engages facial muscles and supports jawline definition over time. It's a subtle form of facial training that can improve your skin's overall tone and firmness. 9. Switch to bamboo face towels. Replace your regular cotton face towels with bamboo ones. Bamboo fabric is softer, more absorbent, and less prone to harboring bacteria. It prevents micro tears in the skin and helps maintain a calm, healthy skin barrier. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. 10. Smile after your routine. Once you've finished your skincare steps, smile at yourself in the mirror for at least 3 seconds. This might sound simple, but smiling releases serotonin, a feel-good chemical that relaxes your facial muscles and subtly improves skin tone and expression. It's a mood-boosting finish to your ritual. A radiant complexion doesn't always come from expensive products. It's built through small, consistent rituals that your skin remembers. These 10 quiet habits are easy to start, cost nothing, and can completely change how your skin looks and feels. Try them, and your mirror might just thank you with a glow you've never seen before. If you found these tips helpful and want more unique beauty secrets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video that helps you look and feel your best.